Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of My Perfumes. House of My Perfumes is another Middle Eastern perfume house from United Arab Emirates. They've been around for more than 30 years, but lately they've been making amazing fragrances, especially for the price. This one is from their higher tier or luxury lineup. It's called Arabiyat Prestige, and this one in particular is called Bedour Extrait de Parfum, or Extrait Eau de Parfum 100 ml. And as you can tell, huge box, very heavy. Attention to detail is always amazing on these ones. This one you can find it around £50, give or take, in United Kingdom. In your country, if you can't find it and you're interested, you can buy it directly from My Perfumes website. They ship globally, but obviously you have to pay the shipping. So without further ado, let's do this. Sorry about the noise. Okay, so this one is a red color or dark red with gold trimming all over it. Very nice in the hand, very weight to it, very nice on the eye. In terms of everything, presentation wise, is luxury. And the bottle, look at this beautiful bottle, and it comes in this base which is like a flower. It's like a lotus flower or something. Very just attractive presentation, especially if you want to give as a gift. These ones are amazing. Look at the bottle. The bottle is gorgeous, very heavy, thick bottle. Very, again, red tinge to it with a gold trimming, and attention to detail is always amazing on these ones. The cap is quite weight to it, and look at the atomizer. The atomizer on these ones are amazing. Look at this. Whoa, beautiful. Huge mist and a huge cloud, and it's pressurized. Very high-end presentation on a high-end atomizer. So how is the smell on this beautifully presented fragrance? Here we go. First impression. Woo, sweet. So first thing it hits me is the sweetness. Again, this very sweet, and is very suitable for this time of year, which is autumn. Very sweet, very inviting, very uplifting, very mesmerizingly beautiful. Big rose. So I can straight away I can detect rose, and the rose in here is massive. It's a big rose, so you need to like your rose in first and foremost. And the coloring is correct. In here is a red rose, so it's a red rose. It's very bright. It's not a dark rose by any means. It's very bright. It's quite ambery feel to it. It's quite body to it as well. Yeah, it's quite ambery. It's resinous and dense, but at the same time it's bright. It's not dark. So resinous, dense, quite effervescent in terms of amber. It smells something watery in here. I'm not sure because of this floral aspect to it. I think they implying some sort of lily of the water lily. So I'm smelling watery aspect to it, but again, not oceanic, not salty or anything like that. The base is very woody. The woods are again a combination of sandalwood and cedar to give it that base, to lift everything up, to make it last longer. It's very smooth, it's very rounded, it's very balanced. It's again, Arabiyat Prestige, they're doing an amazing job these days. It's got a little of greenness to it as well, leafy green, grassy feel to it, which add to that beautiful red rose. So imagine it's the red rose here, and you can smell that green leaves, green stem, and basically the whole bush of the rose flower, and the roses in here is very red. little bit of musky feel in the overall as well, quite musky. So again, another winner. What a smell. This one, again, bang in the middle, unisex, anybody can wear it, but because of a big rose and a sweet rose, it leans a little bit on the feminine side if you care about these things. I don't care. I wear some perfume if I love it, if I like it. If I don't like it, if I don't love it, I don't wear it. As simple as that. It doesn't matter which is targeted towards which sex. And here is definitely unisex, anybody can wear it. But because people will ask, you know, inevitably, I would say it is a little bit feminine because of that big rose in here. Yeah, little bit of earthiness, little bit of spicy tinge to it. Not much, just a hint. I think it's some sort of what do you call it, cinnamon in here to give it that hint of spiciness. But it's very small. It's not huge. The first thing it hits is the rose. Well, the first thing it hits a little bit of citrus. The citrus is a combination of bergamot and lemon, just to give it an inviting opening, just to lift it, to brighten it. But you get lost very quickly. Biggest player, rose. Yes, yes, yes. After the rose is the amber. Amber is very, very apparent in here. It's a very resinous and thick resin body. And also after that is the woodiness of it in the base, sandalwood and cedar, or the combination of those two. And also the greenness. There's a green aspect to it, leafy green, watery. The water here is a fresh water. It's not you know, oceanic or salty. And little of earthiness as well, hint or a tinge of spiciness to it overall. But overall, you need to like your rose, because this is like 70%, 80% rose. Everything else is just around the rose and just giving the rose support and helping the rose to shine. Overall, it's very rosy, so you need to like your rose. What a beauty. I can feel something leathery in here as well. It's not a deep leather, it's not huge, it's not thick leather, but it is like a suede-ish leather. It's a soft leather, it's like suede. Yeah, it's the soft suede leather. I can smell something else apart from the rose, to help the rose here. I think it's a tube rose as well. It smells a little bit of tube rosy to me. Yeah, it smells tube rose. So it's a combination of rose and tube rose, but the rose is like 70% and the tube rose is like 30%. Okay, so overall, beautiful fragrance. Again, very inviting, very uplifting, very opulent, very sensual, very good for going out, special occasion, evening, close encounter, date, clubbing. If you want to go clubbing, this will feel the room, feel the house. At the moment, it's feeling the room, feeling the house. Is very, very strong. As you saw, the sprayer puts out so much juice. So that's why you don't need much of it, because you're going to drench yourself basically. And in the next video, I'll let you know the development, longevity, and things like that. But for now, first impression, first sniff, yes, 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 absolutely loving it. Who's it for? Definitely bang in the middle in terms of sex, unisex, but leans a little bit feminine because of the big rose in here. And in terms of the age, I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side, because it's got a little bit of matureness to it. In terms of occasion, as I said, this is good for going out, formal occasion, evening, things like that. In terms of season, this is all year round. In summer, less sprays. In winter, more spray, but it's suited a little bit better for cooler weather. Overall, absolutely yes, yes, yes. Very balanced, very good quality, very good perfumery in here. Although it's not very unique, but it is a little bit on the unique side, even though rose is done millions of times. But because of that combination of the rose and the tube rose, making it a little bit on the unusual side as well. Very beautiful. And for a price, 50 quid, this is a bargain. Again, it smells much more expensive than the £50, and it looks more expensive than the £50 as well. Okay guys, so in the next video I'll let you the rest. If you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, and entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They are amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. If you want to purchase one of my own fragrances, my perfumes, I'm a perfumer myself, and this way you get something beautiful in return. They're the beautiful fragrances. They are artistic, they are very unusual, very mysterious, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the link. They're ultra beast mode, amazing value for money, 100% natural, and you won't get anything like them in the market. Okay guys, I leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye bye bye.